the marginal cost function equals to x plus 1 over x squared with x, the number of cakes to be produced. If the cost to produce 2 cakes is 5 ringgit and 50 cent, find the cost function. So we're given a marginal cost x plus 1 over x squared, and if we integrate our marginal cost function, we're going to get a cost function. So let's integrate set x, which is x squared over 2, and if we integrate 1 over x squared, let us change the form into x to the power of negative 2, and if we integrate x to the power of negative 2 is x negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 divide with negative 1 plus with c or k or g or w or anything. Okay, so now this plus and minus, we're going to get like this: x squared over 2 minus 1 over x plus with k. So we're given also that if the cost to produce 2 cakes means x equals to 2, is 5 ringgit and 50 cents, means C2 equals to 5 ringgit and 50 cents. If we substitute into our cost function, then we're going to find the K. So let us substitute. So 2 squared over 2 minus 1 over 2 plus K equals to 5 ringgit and 50 cents. Then K equals to 5 ringgit and 50 cents minus 2 squared over 2 is 2 plus with 1 over 2, which is 4. So our K is 4. Then we can find our cost function, which is x squared over 2 minus 1 over x plus 4. So that's it.